Hello everybody, my name is Alec from Albany County Fasteners, and this week for our video we are actually going to be going over some of the changes we've made on our website. We have revamped a few things and made a few updates, as well as made a search system much easier for finding the hardware you need. One of the first things you might notice is going to be the tiles here in the middle, where you see the Shop by Material, Shop by Finish, and Fasteners 101. If you click these little triangles towards the left and right, it'll actually send you through the slides, and this can be used to quickly get to the categories you need. For example, if you'd like to shop by material, you can click that, go through stainless steel, silicon bronze, so on and so forth. If we go back to that home page, and then go to finish, you can shop by finishes as well, things like black oxide, zinc plated. And then of course, there's going to be links to Fasteners 101 for informational videos and references, as well as fasteners, hardware, kits, tools and equipment, and of course, if you need a custom order, you can send us RFQs through here. We have also made some changes to try to compact and condense a lot of the categories and information on the pages in the website. So here on the left hand side, you'll notice the blue headers of fasteners with all of our selections, hardware, struts and accessories, and then tools and equipment towards the bottom. Now all of these categories, these blue headers, can be selected, and they do bring up a more picturized list of the items that each category will carry. We've also made updates to our cart system. So for example here, if you had a full cart, you can select this and you can hit the checkout button. Now this is not going to send you directly to a checkout. It's only going to send you to the cart itself, in which you can update quantities, adjust items, remove items, and if you scroll towards the bottom, you'll have your secure checkout, or if you're checking out with PayPal, you can select PayPal checkout or PayPal credit. Our IT department has also went to great lengths to make our search bar much more efficient for finding the items you need. For example, more broader searches can be used, such as socket cap screws, as an example. There comes a list here of items you can select, but if you do just hit enter, the actual screws will come up. Now, the search bar definitely makes it easier to find the things you need or pinpoint the type of products you're looking for. But then comes in our faceted search. The faceted search system has been implemented to help you specify what you need and get you to what you need faster. So here, as you can tell, you can actually check off each facet or specification to help you specify and single out the one item you are looking for. So for example, if we're looking at socket cap screws, you can go by diameter here. If I wanted to go for, let's say, a 1/4 inch diameter. So now it'll list you out the 1/4 inch socket cap screws. If you scroll down further, you'll see things like material, where you can select stainless steels, carbon steel, different finishes we might have here, categories, drive styles, and more. So for example, if I were to select 18/8 stainless steel, you now only have the 18/8 stainless steel or 304 stainless steel options. Let's say we need to go further to the head style. I'm looking for a flat head. Well, here, again, with more facets, you can select another specification and continually single out the items you need from the list. So this faceted search system can be used on any category. For example, if I go here to, let's say, hex bolts, give that a search, and now we're up any type of hex bolt, so lag screws can of course be included in that. So now at hex bolts, as you can tell, there's some more options here to try to specify what you need. So with a product type, I can do something like select flange bolts. Now that I have all the flange bolts listed, I can then go down to diameter, select one such as we'll go for 1/4 inch for this example again, and continually single out the items that we need. So the faceted search system, along with the search bar, should most definitely help you find what you need faster and give you more ease of use on getting there. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns about our new systems, please feel free to reach out to us at support@rawproductscorp.com, or you can give us a call at 866-573-0700 0445. We are in the office from Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Thank you.